Hey y'all, this is Tamaya Robles, the owner of Fix My Credit Now 850.com, going over why FICO 10T is going to be such a major problem. If it hasn't already affected you right now, it probably will in the near future, depending on who you go to for a loan, for any type of credit. I get into that in my other videos, but right now I'm going to zero in specifically on how FICO 10T can negatively affect you. Let us take a look. I'm going to share my screen with y'all so y'all can see an actual credit report. Okay. Now, this is I've talked about this before. This is a FICO 8. This is the most commonly used FICO score. And we're going to go past that, right? So we're going to go straight to the new version. The newest version is the FICO 10 and the FICO 10T. This is the first time FICO has released two versions of itself. So that's pretty different, pretty interesting. All right. So FICO 10, this is what her credit score is right now, right? As opposed to what you just saw, it's drastically different. This is what a FICO 10T looks like. This is a FICO 10. You see what the credit score is here? This is the FICO 10T. You noticed how her score has dropped. That is a problem. This is a problem. Okay. Then this would be her auto score. If she went to apply for a car, this is what it would be. Now, FICO does show you a chart. This is basically what her credit score looked like prior to her FICO looked like prior to the FICO 10 hitting. So as you can see, look at that. August of 2022, she was in the 700 and she has dropped drastically. That's all because of the FICO 10. FICO 10, and then this is her bank card. If this client wanted to get a credit card and whoever she got a credit card from chose to use the FICO 10, this is the score that they would be looking at. This is why it's a problem. So as I stated to y'all in the past, FICO 10T goes back 2 years, okay? And it goes by trending data, and they are mostly focusing on missed payments, any latenesses. It was a problem before, but now it's particularly a problem because the score will drop more than it would have in the past. Okay. Now we could take a look at these other versions just real quick. So most companies now are stuck on FICO 8, where during the pandemic we were at a FICO 9, and then not too many people are using FICO 10, but some are. So just be aware. But this is what her credit score looks like right now. If she were to walk in the door and get a credit card under the FICO 8 score, this is what it would look like. Drastically different. This is what the FICO 9 would look like if she wanted if somebody were to give her a line of credit and look at her FICO 9. Again, drastically different from the FICO 10. Her bank card under the 9, different. It's higher. The scores are higher. And naturally, the mortgage scores are always like this, but FICO 10T is definitely a problem. Definitely a problem. Okay. Look at that. Look at those scores for the FICO 10, in case you forgot. Now, if she were to get an auto loan, this is what her 8 looks like. Really good. She would get a decent rate. Her auto score 9. And then I don't know anybody that looks at, I don't know what anybody looks at when they're getting a car. They don't look at scores this low that I'm aware of, but yeah, just in case, their scores are still better than FICO 10. But yeah, just wanted to keep it short. Just let you know, FICO 10T is definitely a problem. And if you need us to help you fix your credit, definitely go schedule a free consultation, fixmycreditnow850.com, and we can help you. We can definitely help you. All right, talk to you guys soon.